Hello, everyone, and welcome to the episode 5 of Everyday Code Snippets for JavaScript. In this snippet, we're going to see that how you can detect whether the caps lock key is on or off in your user's system. And believe me, it's damn easy. So let's get started. So first of all, we have two elements, right? First is the input element, right? This exact input element, and another is the message element, which comes below this input. So right now, by default, this message is not displayed over here. Let's move ahead. Next, we have an event listener which is listening for the key up on this input element. Okay, and whenever we type anything in this input, this event listener will be fired. And what will happen in there? In there, we set the style of the message as block or none based on the get modifier state of caps lock. This method is exactly all the bread and butter of this snippet. This tells us exactly what's the state of caps lock on the user system, and based on that, we can change the display to block or none of this message, right? So if the caps lock is on, we show the message. If the caps lock is off, we don't show the message. Well, that is it. Let's see this in action. Right now, my caps lock is off. So if I enter anything in this input, nothing is happening. You see all the inputs, all these characters are small case. Okay. Now let me switch my caps lock on. So as soon as I do this, I see a message that caps lock is on. And now if I type in this input, you see all the capital case, uppercase letters are being typed. Again, if I switch the caps lock off and now I type, you see small letters are being typed and the message is gone. So that's how you detect whether the caps lock key is on or off in your user system. And this get modifier state, you can experiment with this. Maybe this it takes some other values, other parameters than caps lock, and maybe you can achieve much more than just this. So go ahead and do experiments with this. Thank you. I'll see you in the next episode.